Welcome to the first episode of the Lion News for the 22-23 school year. My name is Mr. Ward. I'm the fourth grade teacher here at Loveworks. I am so excited to see all of you guys coming up soon here. We've been working on a ton of really fun things for you guys to get to both experience and see this upcoming year. We're going to talk about open house, sneak week, and so much more. Now I'm going to pass it over to my good colleague, Miss Crowfoot.
Thank you, Mr. Ward. Hey scholars, I'm Miss Crowfoot and I'm here to tell you all the open house news. Open house is on August 23rd from 3 to 6 p.m. and August 24th from 3 to 6 p.m. When you're here, make sure to meet your teacher, purchase uniforms, update your transportation information and contact information, and get all the other information you need to have a successful year. In addition, there will be a food truck, so make sure to check that out as well. We are so excited to see our families and scholars at open house. Next up, we have Mr. West.
What's up, LWA community? My name is Mr. West, and I wanted to take a second and let everyone know that you'll be able to sign up for your VP as well as Sneaker Week classes. For VP this year, we will be offering different genres of dance, music classes, visual arts, and drumline for 4th through 8th grade. As you know, Sneaker Week is the first week of school. We will have things such as Disney movies, video games, drumline, and more. In order to sign up, you have to be there Tuesday and Wednesday for open house. That's all for me, and I will now pass it over to our ray of sunshine, Miss Spring.
Hey everybody, it's Miss Spring. I hope you all got a lot of information from this episode of Lion News. When the school year starts, the Lion News will be hosted by students who are part of the Lion News Club. If you're looking to have your debut in front of the camera, the time is now. We will see you at open house. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and follow us on all of our social media pages. Thanks for watching. Miss Spring out.